Yo, what is up guys? It's me, Rob. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to unlock your combination style lock with the provided combination, okay? Now this works on pretty much any brand. This is just a generic brand, but it will work on the master brand. Any brand really, if it looks very similar to this type of lock. You know, the dial on the front, the U-type shackle, typically see these on gym lockers or stuff like that, your high school lockers. All right, so our combination is 18, 38, 21. Now, if you don't have your combination, I'm going to be uploading other videos on how to open it without the combination, but this video is just for people that have the combination, all right? So 18, 38, 21, we're going to pop that right up there. And there's 3 simple steps. You're going to go right, left, right, all right? So we're going to start this lock at 0. And you're going to start going to the right. Now, you're going to want to spin it 2 full turns, just to kind of erase any combination that somebody maybe tried to already try. And then we're going to stop on our first number, which is 18. Right there, lined up with that red mark on top. And then we're going to turn it to the left to our second number. We're going to skip our second number, which is 38, and land on it the second time, okay? So there's 38 passing right now. Now we're going to land on 38 the second time. And then you're going to turn it right again to your third number. And as soon as it touches your third number, you're going to stop there. 21. Then you just pull up on the shackle, and that's all opened up, all right? So we're going to lock it up and show you one more time again. Again, our combination is 18, 38, 21. All right? So you're just going to spin it a few times just to erase any previous combination that might have started. And then you're going to land on your 18. Spin it to the left, skip your second number once, and then land on it the second time, 38, and then turn it right again to your last number, 21. Stop on it the first time. Open it up, and there you go, guys. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please leave them in the comment section down below. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. I've also launched a new Facebook page, so if you're active on Facebook, I'll link it down below. Please follow that out. The new followers will definitely help me launch the page and stuff. And check the description if you do not have your combination and you need to find a way to open up your lock without your combination. Be glad to help you guys out. See you next time. Peace out. Hit up the thumbs up button for me. Helps me out so much. See you guys later.